Hello guys, welcome to the portal of Sanaya Training Institute Private Limited. In the series of interview preparation, today we are going to discuss about the interview questions for instrumentation design engineer. So various questions are being asked from the temperature measurement, and in this series we have collected some questions of the temperature measurement which were generally asked in the interview, and in the current next session we will continue this series and we will come with the various questions, interview questions which are generally asked in the interview related to the pressure flow, level, control valve, pressure safety valve, design related issues and all those things. Whatever the questions generally asked in the interview from the design engineer for the job. So today we are going to discuss the temperature measurement questions. Before we proceed, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe my channel so that I can come to you with latest technical things and lots of that things, technical things which can be help to you in the interview when you are going to face the interview. So let's start the questions. So here first question is define instrumentation. So instrumentation is combination of measuring instrument that indicating, measuring and recording of process variable in industries. Now the next question it may be asked from all of you. This is very basic question which are generally asked in the interview. Any interviewer who want to start the question from the temperature, he will start with the RTD. So what is RTD? Explain. So RTD is resistance temperature detector. It works on the principle of change in resistance due to the change in temperature, and it has positive temperature coefficient, which means when temperature increases the value of resistance increases. Now the next question is what is sensor and type of sensors. So sensor is a device that take physical input from environment and convert into signal that human or machine will interact. So this is the basically definition of the temperature. Now the next question is what is difference between transducer, sensor, transmitter and converter. So transducer is a device that convert one type of energy signal into the other type of energy signal. Example is LVDT is a transducer. It convert mechanical movement into the electrical output. Now the sensor is a device that take physical input from the environment and convert into signal that human or machine will interact. Example is proximity sensor. Now the transmitter is a device that applies signal conditioning and scaling on transducer signal and convert into industrial strength signal. Example is temperature transmitter that converts thermocouple multivolt signal into 4 to 20 milliamperes. Now the converter is responsible for convert on the type of industrial strand signal into other type of industrial strand signal. Example is I to P converter 4 to 20 milliampere signal into 3 to 15 psi pressure signals. So this is the fourth question. Now the next question is what is converter, what is transmitter, why industry use 4 to 20 milliampere standard signal instead of 0 to 20 milliampere. So what is converter? Transmitter is a device that applies signal conditioning and scaling on transducer signal. Example is convert into industrial standard signal. Example is temperature transmitter that convert thermocouple millivolt into 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Now the transmitter is now these questions are being generally asked in the interview. So what is PT100? Why it is called PT100? This is very famous question in the interview. So PT100 is commonly used RTD sensor. It is made of platinum and it has 100 ohm of resistance at 0 degree Celsius. That's why it is called PT100. Now this PT100 are used at the tip of the RTD to sense the temperature. Now this PT100 are also used 1 PT100, 2 PT100, 3 PT100. So 1 PT100 is single, 2 PT100 is duplex, and 3 PT100 is triplex, also available in the industry. So these are also asked in the interview. Now, next question is why platinum is preferred as an element in RTD. So, platinum has a constant value of resistance temperature coefficient of 0.004 ohm per degree Celsius for a temperature range between 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Means platinum has a constant value of resistance. Its resistance does not vary as the temperature varies in between 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. That is why platinum can withstand a high temperature, maintain excellent stability and accuracy, and it is less susceptible to contamination, so it is obvious choice for the measuring purpose. Now here the explain the working principle of the thermocouple. So here the thermocouple working principle is explained over here. Now arrange RTD thermistor and thermocouple in the order of increasing sensitivity. Means sensitivity, if we talk about the sensitivity, thermocouple is less sensitive, RTD is more sensitive than thermocouple, and thermistor is most sensitive temperature measuring instrument. Now here the difference between the thermocouple, RTD and your thermistor is given. Now the next question is list the different type of thermocouple. So here the some common type of thermocouple are explained here, like type E, type J, type K, type R, type T, type B, type N, type S. So these are the type of thermocouples which are generally being used in the industry, and for each thermocouple there are various range of the temperature. So as per the temperature range we will select these thermocouples. Now we have left this question thermistor, RTD and thermocouple. So RTD resistance changes with temperature linearly. It has a positive temperature coefficient. Thermocouple, it works on the principle of Seebeck effect. This is very important, Seebeck effect. It gives output in multi-volt. It has a very high range, so it is most commonly used in the industry. Cold junction compensation. So guys, we are Sanaya Training Institute and ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. And again, I will request you, all of you, please subscribe our channel for more interview questions related to the pressure, temperature and instrumentation design engineering. Various questions and various content are going to be uploaded on this portal of the Sanaya Training Institute. If any training inquiries are there, you can contact us. We are dealing in the various training program like instrumentation design engineering, smart plant instrumentation impulse training, electrical design engineering, ETAP electrical, Caesar pipe stress analysis, AutoCAD electrical instrumentation, Python basic, advanced and expert. We are having a various expert from the industry who are well excellent faculty for the training. So you may join us and enjoy the training, and you can upscale your skills in the technical field, and you can grab a good job opportunity from the industry. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Once again I request you, all of you. Thank you.